taken away.
Omwaka gw'2018 government kulabira Ministry ya Gender, Labour and Social Development ekahereza abakazi muri Hoima esente zo kwetungura bari kuzigarizayo ansi entebe y'ekkanisa ya Uganda Women Entrepreneurship Program. Kenneth Ebongo orukutwara ebyo kutungura ebyango muri district ya Hoima nagira ngo ababandize kuzitwara bakaremwa kushashura kandi ngo eki kiriyo n'ekiteganisa enkoreegi.
The repayment has been very, very poor. And we are getting stuck every other time. New groups are there, but we don't have money on account to pay as per the recovery records. So this has prompted us to swing into action. We made many efforts to talk to the women, but they have remained adamant.
District inkota magombora tubayiminana kandi abakyala bakusinga hona tibakasasula kandi esente bakayifuna 2018 bayitu babaire bayizirwe mu bugara obukutasasula.
Aba bakozi repotoro bakwata abakazi nkaga kandi omuri aba harimu n'abakansara b'abakazi abashaho b'ebyaro abashomesa hamwe n'abandi bakazi.
Abamu basaswire 28 March bakasasula miliyoni 3 next week kandi bayeraga abandi bakeraga kanga Friday then kirokino tusofa nakatunga emiliyoni 3 tugenda kubankinga Hoima district local government recover account.
A number of them misuse the monies. Like we are now doing, they share the money and you can't see anything tangible that they have benefited from the money. That's why they're even struggling, using other means to recover the money. Some people they're selling their rice, selling what?
Omukuru w'abakazi bano bakwatwara police habo kuba omukazi niwe nyina yihanga kandi omukazi wayemereze hamaka omukazi alihankura kwa ni yamani kandi abakazi bakusomesa abana nkubasaba nimbesengeza leka tulizo mulanga kwa government habo akituko nde sente zo muzigari hali abakazi bayinga ba complaininga nibagamba bwe sente bakasubmitinga file zabo tibakatunga sente government kachiwamu tegenda kutongera sente esente zikalo mu district nize zigenda akora.
Bamwe mu baremedwa kushashura sente ezi nibagira ngo bakateganisa ubwendwara ya COVID-19 hamwe n'abamemba bamwe okufuruka bakazomyanya ndijo.
Kalenga okusevinga ntugamba abantu mujege tusevinga tubege tukora ki tugaruza sente ezi twatandika kusevinga kyonka bandi balemera ki.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Ambrose n'uwagabakato.